That's yours? Oh, is it? Oh, I'm sorry. It's hers. So this is, I think, the whole table, probably?
Yeah, they're packing.
Oh, okay.
That's
Nice
a nice
one.
chess set. I like that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How much
I
you
like
got
that.
it for?
It's pretty.
85? No, not bad. Yeah, it's a good price.
Okay, that's beautiful. That's pretty. I'm wondering how much it is. Oh. Yeah. It's cute. Yeah, you can ask them.
You can ask.
Yeah, pick it up and we ask. Chess.
This is, I think, gold plated or something.
What's that? Oh. But I wouldn't get.
It's not bad. This is,
Look at you. Look at this. Still have sugar in there.
really.
Huh?
Like the crumb right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at some of this stuff here. Maybe.
You sell them for a good price. People like
The problem with these, I would only sell them on Facebook because
Jannah, here are the
Just like,
cards. Look, $1.
I'm afraid it will.
This one.
Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, this is
There's. Look, this one's a bow. I guess they were doing collections too.
yeah. I saw that someone had a cool.
I see a lot of chess sets, but the one she got is pretty.
Yeah, that one is very
Yeah,
nice.
for 85.
I didn't see that in the pictures.
Yeah. This
Yeah,
is,
it was not on the pictures.
oh, look how much they want
That's
for this.
nice. They don't.
No
They're not
price?
pricing it yet. Maybe we should ask.
Why not?
That's nice.
This is the one we saw. I wonder if it's
Look
a
at
Tiffany or it's just
It's
or it's just
175.
175.
Yeah. Hmm?
Oh, it's cool.
Sarah, did you see this one here?
Hmm? Oh,
This
that's
table
nice.
here.
Oh, that's a nice one. I like the
I think
glaze.
it's $15.
Yeah.
Let's go down in the basement. Yeah.
Let's see.
Are we gonna get that?
No. I like this little. So cute.
Yeah, that's cute.
I like it.
Hmm?
Oh, it's so good.
Excuse me, that bother you? You have your picture on the phone, which everything was about 2 minutes over here.
Coffee table books. Look at that one here. Behind.
Yeah, cool.
Bring it out. Let's see.
It's all wood as is because it's a little broken.
It's nice.
Mm.
It's cracked.
Yeah.
It can be fixed, you know. That's nice, sculpted on wood.
Oh, that's cute. How much is it? That's pretty. $10.
Right here.
Let me see.
Wait, on the show.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
that's
want
a
to take a
pink.
picture.
Okay, and then.
Sarah, look at this Salvador Dali.
Is that a carpet? Is it down?
Huh?
You're right. Okay, I got it now.
Those are
$12
prints.
online.
Those are the prints from Salvador Dali.
She'll add all that.
Oh,
See? Look.
I don't know who that is.
Well, we've got some large
Is he someone
bags,
famous?
but I don't think they're gonna help you very much. I'm gonna put it right here.
Yeah, it's $12 online. See, sometimes they overprice stuff. Because these are cute if it's from, Japan or whatever, China.
Things like this,
Do you want to go upstairs?
Yeah,
Let's go upstairs.
let's go.
Okay, that's fine.
You see them, but I think
Yeah, these
somebody.
are on hold.
She got real nice stuff.
Huh?
You see that tray? It's a beautiful tray.
Yeah, they got most of this stuff.
All the good stuff.
25.
We're gonna start from where stuff.
Let's go area where there's no people.
There's not much here, just clothes.
Mostly clothes.
Yeah. Yeah, just clothes. Man kan inte vara precis. There's not here.
Look at this one. 25 Uggs. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
That's cute. Red. Golf clubs.
I'll check, see. I mean, they're running like maybe $30. This is not, are they original? It's probably right here. Look, blues, no, the other blues.
Oh, here. This is
It's $5, I think.
So ordinary. Right, yeah. No, these are fine.
Yes.
That's it.
I can't see it.
Which one?
Thank you.
There's no
It's like kind of
$60 for the whole set.
Oh, what is this? Oh.
It looks like it's a tea stuff.
I'm wondering if it's, I doubt that it's silver.
Yeah, but this kind of material is just cheap stuff, yeah. This is 37 Super Bowl.
I feel like we're inviting What even is that?
Cool.
Well, these are all the same size.
Yeah, that's cool.
I mean, real close. And they won't.
Are they?
12.
Sir.
Civic splash garden, but it's naturalization.
Yeah, so
10 million.
looks like the person who lived here like Japanese stuff.
What is that? Stupid.
Right there.
How much is that, Aji? Hisham, I think I'm gonna get this one.
But it doesn't stick out.
It is
German.
We have one that is different. It's beautiful.
Black Forest German vintage.
That's beautiful.
So look down. ما تمشي هذه عيشة ما تمشي هذه شتف تصويرة ميد ان جيرماني الفغي
شوفي بشحال ثمن
أنا
ديالها.
نقلب.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
What's the best price you can do on the Cuckoo Clock?
Did you find it? Your desk out was downstairs. Probably no discount today because it's the first day.
Got you.
You usually keep discount on the first day.
Doesn't hurt to ask, I guess. Okay.
I was wondering.
So we'll see, Aisha.
I'm gonna ask. I don't know where's Alice. I don't know if that's her.
Look at that painting. This one, I've seen that somewhere.
That's nice.
Probably sitting
Chat
outside.
بالتالي.
Okay.
Chat. It's me. You know, 57. Chat.
150 200
165.
Oh, good. That's good. I do.
Yeah, so two. They had it for at first to say they were gonna do one. So here, hold it. I got it for once for me.
That's good. That's a great price.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Did you ask her about the painting?
No, she said that was the first one. That's a cool because we searched it. It was $900.
It's okay. It just
Oh, we don't want it to break.
Watching him drive all the way down to the houses, he get out of the go all the way go up and down.
Yeah.
He will choose the houses
Yeah.
that are not there. I took his license. Oh, good. And my cat too. Okay, thank you.
Yes. And this. And this too. Hey, thank you very much for working with me. Appreciate it.
$199.28.
Oh, did I leave my?
You have your.
Oh, I think I left it in the car. Do
You
you
left it in
have
the car?
something with you? I'll go grab it.
I have.
And are you gonna send me the text?
So we
or
got
what?
this one here, the Cuckoo Clock from Germany. It's really nice.
For my business. Yeah, I think
This is gonna break because it keeps touching your thing.
Just give me a second, I'll see. I think it said that it went to your.
Nice Cuckoo Clock from Germany. You know, they are actually selling for $900.
Actually, 1500.
This?
Yes.
Or that probably
Careful,
just the
please.
replica.
No,
Because
no.
This
the
one
actual.
says made in Germany.
Yeah, the one I saw is 1500, and they have it on sale for 900.
Yeah, this one. So
But,
it's nice. Okay, that's good. Germany.
Yeah,
Cuckoo Clock.
I'm so excited.